How to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views in Wix Studio. So we have in here our website that we actually editing. So it's actually been edited onto our Wix Studio. In order to change into different modes or views, you can head over and then utilize these three icons right here. We have in here the desktop, which is right now our desktop view. You can click on this right here, which is the tablet view, in order to see what it looks like onto the tablet view. So this is what it looks like if it's viewed from the tablet point of view. You can scroll down and this is what it looks like. Now let's see what it will look like onto the mobile view. Let's click on this right here, which is the mobile option. And as you can see, it's actually changed the view right here. And you can head over and then see what it looks like, and then also move some things in order to make sure that this actually enhances the user's interface. So that's how you switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.